Hi, we're back at Mark's Electrical Studios, and today we're looking at Gorenje's ORK193R Retro Fridge Freezer. Now this is another lovely looking product from Gorenje's Retro collection. It's a 50s/60s style appliance, and style is the active word here. In gorgeous burgundy with big chromy handles and a smart silver logo, it's chic and it's stylish. The technology is not in the least retro though. There's an efficient and long-lasting inverter compressor, there's excellent thermal insulation, there's ion air, Adaptec, and all this produces the top A++ energy rating for 60% more efficiency than an A-rated product. Let's look inside. The right-hand hinge door has got a very good seal, as you can see, and as you open it, the big LED pops on, and you can see that the 229 gross litre capacity is very well organised with some very interesting features. The three door shelves are a decent size, and the top two move up and down with a clever latch system. You just slide it down to where you want it and open the latch up. I like this a lot. You can even do it with food in there. And if you move that one up to the top, you can see how big the bottles are that you can get in there. The bottom shelf has a bottle retainer to stop those big bottles from moving around, and up the top we have a multi-box, which is a great little feature. That's rubber. It will take eggs, you could put cheese in there, or you can even pour water in, put it in the freezer, and you've got yourself an ice maker. Now going into the cabinet, there are three glass shelves with a lovely silver trim on the front, and there's a nice chromy bottle rack. Now the top two shelves are height adjustable, and you can actually swap places with the bottle rack and configure it whichever way you like. The bottom glass shelf acts as a lid to the fresh zone. It's the coldest part of the fridge, and it's great for meat, fish, delicate food, or even fruit and veg. Below that is the humidity controllable crisp zone drawer. It's very big and you can fit lots in. And then when it's all in there, you can slide the humidity controller to suit whichever fruit and veg you've got in there. Cooling is via dynamic cooling. It's an advanced fan system for consistent temperature throughout the fridge, and negative ions are introduced to the air by this product to prolong freshness by creating its own microclimate. The temperature control is at the top in the middle, and there's another system called Adaptec, and that's used to study your usage patterns via sensors to adjust the temperature for even more efficiency. Moving down to the 97 gross litre capacity frostless freezer. It's got great capacity for its size in three different size drawers. The small one's at the top, and easily the biggest is in the middle. It's the XXL space box. It's big enough for a turkey, a birthday cake, or even a stack of pizzas. As you can see, it's very big. They all remove for loading, and the top two sit on glass shelves, so that gives you even more storage options. There's a fast freeze option for when you restock, and frostless means a reduction in frost with fewer defrosts, so you can see exactly what you've got stored in there, and the freezing is much more efficient. Okay, let's have a look at the dimensions. There's a height of 1,940 millimeters, the width of the product is 600 millimeters, and the depth of the product is 669 millimeters. You will need to add on 5 millimeters each side of the product for clearance. Now also bear in mind the clearance required for opening these big doors. A 90-degree opening of the doors, 90 degrees, adds around 130 millimeters to the width of the product, and a fully open door adds around 330 millimeters in case you're opening it up to a side wall or an obstacle. So summing up, this burgundy beauty looks great and it will add style to your kitchen. It's very efficient, it has some excellent features, and the 326 gross litre capacity is perfect for a medium-sized family. And you could have one in your home tomorrow, free delivery with a 2-hour time slot from Marks Electrical. And that's next day and weekends included.